The solar system. What makes up the solar system? The solar system is made up of the Sun and objects that move around the Sun. It includes 8 planets and other smaller objects. The surface of the Sun is very hot, but it is hotter inside the Sun. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune are the planets in the solar system. All planets move around the Sun in certain paths. The model of the solar system shows us the order of the planets. It also gives us the scale of the sizes of the planet compared to the Sun. There are other objects in the solar system such as asteroids and comets. They are much smaller than the planets. Asteroids. Asteroids are small rocky objects that move around the Sun. Most are found in the region called the asteroid belt. The asteroid belt lies between Mars and Jupiter. Comets. Comets are lumps of ice, dust, and rock. They usually move around the Sun in the outer regions of the solar system. As the comet comes closer to the Sun, they form bright tails. Are there any planetary systems like the solar system? Everything that exists make up the universe. There are billions of galaxies in the universe. Each galaxy is a huge group of stars. The solar system is a part of the galaxy called the Milky Way. Within the galaxy, there are billions more stars. Most have planets moving around them. They can also contain asteroids and comets. There are many other planetary systems like our solar system. Check your knowledge. The first question is, what is solar system made up of? Second, how many planets does solar system consist of? Name planets in a solar system. What does the model of a solar system show us? What are the other objects in a solar system? What is an asteroid? What is a comet? Are there any other planetary system like the solar system? What is solar system part of? Are asteroids and comets smaller than planets? You can answer all these questions by paying attention to the video.